Mama thinks that I'm going under. Papa says it's all just a phase.
Hello everyone again and Merry Christmas! I hope you liked my previous video, and as I said before, I'm gonna show you how to make that purple makeup smoky. Just take any black pencil, in my case it's Marc Jacobs, and start working on the waterline. Smudge it with a small brush and add some purple on the eyelids.
Analyze my soul, and my lover is gone. They left no note. I got nobody and no goal. Doctor, tell me how'd I get this low? I don't wanna live my life no more. So give me all your pills, something that could kill the pain. He says everything comes and everything goes. You don't need love, you need you the most. So I won't give you drugs to overdose. You don't need love, you need you the most. Pocket full of happy memories. I just wanna throw them away.
That's actually it! Easy peasy. If you prefer more nature look, stay with the previous makeup. If you like more Kim Kardashian style or smoky style, you can go with a few shades darker as I showed you. I hope you like any of those purple makeup look. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe please, and I wish you the best holidays ever.